then you start to push those
exit regret.
areas I've never been to, but I've got this amazing software.
Coffee? You cut your coffee consumption? Yeah, dude, I was just getting heartburn.
Really? You can't make a left turn into there.
Like, I'm gonna knock
really?
I
don't think it's gonna work though with a lot of people. They're like, hey,
no, stop.
We can't be bought off. But
you can work through scenarios, situationals. You can practice.
Really?
Some people who go into conversational environments.
Nice cut off.
Now, how do you think the toy meet specifically?
Paper I wrote
really?
Because Toys R Us was headquartered in Paramus, they always made Toys R Us a big focus of their business coverage. And I started in
really?
1996. I went to all of
There's a merge lane for a reason.
Toys R Us opened a new store in the tri-state area in New York. I would go interview the CEOs. Starting in 1990.
Much, I feel like, yeah, and that's, again, it's not to imply that things that were created thousands of years ago from people who have been native living in lands are like that they're not valuable. They absolutely.
Oh, that's one hell of an exit dive. Like, there's a little bit of traffic. Abort! Abort! Abort!
You were lazy and left a piece of garbage out there.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, that's it.
They're all on the same spectrum in theory, but obviously, like, they are completely different.
Yeah.
So it's like
3 weeks or so to get used to, like, looking.
3 weeks.
I know, and I almost wrecked so bad I brought him back the first time I had him. I go, I can't wear these.
Exit dive.
You're driving, you see good, right?
Now you're a daisy. Yeah.
So there's like sometimes it's like, and also just give them more time to figure out.
Really?
Yeah.
Yep. Go.
I feel like it was
BMW.
I think.
And then you had to call.
Yeah.
But like, what justifies the poor decision? Like, was your decision to go out there in the first place a poor decision? Like,
potentially if the weather's bad.
But
gee, I wonder what the cones are for.
Trail stuff, trail. And I'm like,
yeah, the road's flooded out.
Rocks,
you ain't getting down there.
Fell. I broke my ankle.
Oops.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Nice cut off. Really? Port Authority? Straight from right turn lane. No wonder why people hate those guys. Oh, Jesus Christ. How many cars am I supposed to let in front of me? Yeah, what? Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, New Jersey's really a master at their off-ramp and highway designs. They really are. Up there, I think. I don't remember. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Of course you're exit diving. Screw bro. Up the shoulder like a douchebag. Oh, yikes. That could have been bad. Oh, Jesus. What? No. Exit dive. Really? Left turn dive behind me. And what the hell's going on in front of me? Really? Really? Yep, you're an idiot. Really? Left turn dive behind me. And what the hell's going on in front of me? Really? Really? Yep, you're an idiot. Yeah, let's pretend that the white Nissan doesn't exist today. Really?
A few moments later.
Oh, good job, bus driver. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Hello?
Fresh dope mint kid. Remember mint? No, for a car. Oh, it's fucking
What
mint.
the hell's that guy doing over there?
I'm gonna take
really?
the Jacksonville Jaguars off of a loss.
I've never seen you wear white. You don't wear brown.
I like brown, man.
You do?
Exit dive way up
I've
there.
never seen. Oh, come on, Paul. Paul, you're fucking a.
Fourth and
What?
final.
Douchebag. Douchebag. And we got a trilogy of douchebags. Oh, wait, we got more. We got the quattro of douchebags, the cinquato of douchebags. We got a hexagon of douchebags, and the 8-peat of. And there's a niner. He's barely on camera. Yeah, you get the point. Everyone's a douchebag here, and everyone sucks. Oh, wait, we're up into 10, 11. Doce, for our Spanish-speaking friends here. 13, lucky 13. There's another one, but he's going to move over. Oh, wait, what the hell's this guy? Whoa, what the fuck are you doing? Yeah, get back in line where you came from, you douche. What an asshole. I'm surrounded by assholes.
He puffs up a little, Paul. You get a little bigger.
What the hell are you doing, man?
You're trying to
Really?
get fucking answers.
Then that Penske truck, too.
You know what?
Bunch of
Don't let
assholes.
me talk you into it, Paul. I ain't said it, Paul.
Whatever, yeah,
It's
whatever
just
you
your
want.
odds go down, Paul. Well, no,
Or
your
you can
most
go down and take it over.
Wait, there's no turn on red up there.
The most coach in 21 and 22 for 1 month preparation to play Michigan, and that's fine. There's nothing in the rule book against that. This guy knows
Wait,
their whole
that was
fucking
red.
playbook.
The light never turned green there.
Meanwhile.
Nifty move there around the crowd. Loose puck in front. All sorts of time. Shot and score! Ball trying to work away from Ryan McLeod. Turned over, shot and score! There's Draisaitl. Draisaitl is his third even strength goal the last 14 games. And another goal! The Oilers come right back and do it again!
Let's get McCaffrey in the end zone. Let's get 49ers to win.
Yeah, way to look in this direction, dude. You're your fucking Hummer. God, the Devils suck tonight.
Oh, that would be great. Hold them responsible. And then just fat shame them. That's what I would do. I would just fucking schoolyard. You just see an NFL head coach fighting Sal Palantonio in the fucking. Well, if our offensive line.
Yeah, he died for that left turn.
We could get the running game going. What's your question?
Ah! Fucking embarrassing.
Yeah. Nick Saban's in there.
Nick Saban's in the Belichick coaching team.
The fucking Cleveland Browns fired Bill Belichick with Nick Saban underneath him in like fucking 1995.
Yeah, he's just sitting there.
Thank God.
Yeah, just sitting there, sitting in the crease, not saving anything. Lets in 3 goals in 2 minutes. Frickin' Banachek, he sucks. Trade him now.
Like, no!
I'm okay. It's only a game. It's only a game. It's only the most disappointing fucking season ever.
Go there and you start fucking crying, and then you stick a piece of paper in there, and everybody's praying to God, but God likes your people more than he likes these other people.
Hey,
But he has made everybody, and God
what are you
loves it.
doing?
None of it makes any sense.
You stick money
It's
in
a
the wall?
bunch of
Really?
love. You stick like fucking
Really?
like you're talking to some chicken class.
I'm actually trying to move here. I'm not like one of our defensemen.
Please get 2 more wins. It's been easier if like Jeff Bezos or someone just bought all the religion.
Exit dive behind me.
Like, where everyone can get to, easy direct flights.
It's like frickin' McDavid diving all over the place.
What if it just went away? What are we thinking?
Before people like come at me in the comments that I'm too angry, I really am not. I'm just having fun here. I really am. I'm happy. I'm not happy, but you know, I'm fine. I'm fine. It's only a game. It's only a game. I shouldn't get my emotions wrapped up into these things, you know? It's only a game. It's only a frickin' game. It's only a season with high expectations going down the tubes. We're probably going to sell at the trade deadline and suck for 10 years again. It's only a game.